really creamy, really garlicky, very filling. Hey there, OFT family. On tonight's weekly quick and easy meal, we are doing Chicken Boursin Pasta. So I have in this pan just about a tablespoon of butter heating up. You can hear it sizzling. And to that, I have just over a pound of diced up chicken breast. I'm gonna put that in the pan. This is incredibly easy, guys. You can get it all done in one pot, minus the pasta. So we'll get this going. And we're gonna season this up with just a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. A little bit of salt, a bit of pepper. And a little bit of granulated garlic. If you have garlic powder, you can use that too. A little bit of that. Get that all cooked up. I have the pan on medium. I want to get a little bit of color to this chicken. So in the meantime, I have some water boiling for my pasta. So as my chicken is cooking, I'm going to cook off about a cup and 3/4 of a short grain pasta. You could use any pasta you want. This is what I'm using, so I'm gonna stick that in the boiling water. I'm gonna let that cook probably about 8 or 9 minutes. All right, so now all my chicken is browned up. So I'm going to add a pretty big clove of garlic minced. Add that to the pan. Zhuzh it up just a little bit. And then we are going to add our Boursin cheese. This is the original garlic and herb. We're gonna add that in there. I'm gonna break that up a little bit to get that all incorporated in the chicken. And once you start seeing it melt, I have reserved about a cup of pasta water. That will help make it a sauce. Cheese is getting all nice and melty. Add in my reserved pasta water. And that's gonna make a nice creamy sauce. Turn the heat down to between low and medium. And just kind of let that get happy in there. And you could put spinach in this, you could put any kind of veggie. I'm gonna use a 1/3 cup of green peas. I'm gonna sprinkle those in there. I just put them in here when they were frozen, they kind of thawed out on their own. Stir that in there. And then give it some Parmesan cheese. Just like a handful. Let that simmer a little bit and then we'll add the pasta. Okay, so my pasta is done. I'm going to add it straight from the pot into our pasta. Looks really good, guys. And I think it took like 25 minutes to do. I'll try to hold it all. All right, so let's get this all together. Get everything coated. We're just gonna top this with some Parmesan cheese and serve it with some garlic toast. We'll get to tasting here in just a minute. We are back with our Chicken Boursin Pasta. Look how good this looks, guys. Do you see what the green peas and the Parmesan and the pieces of chicken? I'm serving mine up with some garlic toast. Let's give her a try. I want something with all the things in it. Chicken, pasta, peas, cheese.
What's
That's really good. That garlic and herb Boursin cheese is really, really flavorful. It's really garlicky, plus I added garlic in it. It almost mimics like a chicken Alfredo pasta, almost. Really creamy, really garlicky, very filling. I had this done in like 25 minutes, folks. This was an easy breezy weeknight meal. And just serve it up with garlic toast or a salad, whatever your family likes. Take a bite of our toast. It's perfect, perfect accompaniment. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.